Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a super exciting video because one, it involves food, and two, it involves a whole bunch of beautiful ladies here on YouTube who love to share recipes and their weight loss journey just like me. And I'm pretty sure you all love food. And if you clicked on this video, you're probably very curious about what this is all about. So what it is, it's a big collab with all these girls who are part of the Weight Watcher community and who are just wanting a healthier lifestyle. And yeah, we decided that we were going to share with you our favorite and easy barbecue recipes, summer cookout recipes. So I have 3 for you, and the other girls have main dishes, appetizers, super easy. Mine are pretty much appetizers too. And yeah, so you got to make sure to check out all of the girls. There's quite a few of us, so I'm gonna name them off for you really quickly, and then the links for everybody will be down below, so make sure you click and subscribe to each and every one of them if you are not yet, okay? Okay. We have Weight Watchers Journey to Healthy, Amanda Seifert, Shell's Weight Watchers Life, Daniela Diaries, Diva and the Divine, M. Wilson Fit Fam, N is for Nurse, Weight Watchers for Carrie, Weight Watching Mama, and Weight Watching Coffee Mama. So those are all the ladies that are part of this collab, and I hope this video helps you guys out with some ideas, and the other girls help you out as well. We are stupid. We are not stupid, okay?
You stupid or something. Stupid is, stupid does, sir.
We are super excited to be doing this video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget at the end of the video to make sure you click and subscribe and check out the other girls' videos, and I will be talking to you guys soon. Bye! So for the deviled eggs, you need light mayo, jalapenos, paprika, eggs, yellow mustard, well, it's mustard purple, real bacon pieces, and pepper. And I just boil my eggs for 15 minutes, and they usually come out super good. And then I am now cutting the eggs in half, and then I'm going to plop the egg yolk into a bowl, and then I just put the egg white down, and then I get a fork and just start smashing the yolk before I add the mayo and all the other stuff. It's just so much easier that way. So then I got about half a cup of light mayo, mixed that in there, and then I added some pepper and a little bit of mustard, not too much mustard, just a tiny bit, and then some bacon pieces. So you can do this with fresh bacon, but I found the pieces are a lot easier. And then of course the jalapenos, and then I just mix that together, and I decided to add a little bit of sea salt, just a tiny bit. And then I just filled up the egg whites with the mix, and yeah, it's super easy. And then you just top it off with some paprika. Do you guys say paprika? Paprika? What do you say? Comment below. But yeah, I just add that on top, and then I got some extra bacon pieces and put that on top, and these were so good, so much flavor. I loved it, and it had that little bit of spice to it, which, you know, I love that. So yeah, there's my first recipe. So now moving on to meatballs, there's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, some ground turkey, and some breadcrumbs. So just 3 ingredients. And I put the ground turkey in a bowl, and then I added half cup of barbecue sauce, and then half cup of breadcrumbs. And that's it. Then I just mixed it with a spoon for a little bit, and then I used my hands, of course, because I then have to form them into little balls because they are meatballs. And then I just placed that on a plate, and once they were ready, I just put them in my air fryer for 15 minutes at 350. And then after that, I put them in for another 3 minutes, but I first brushed on some more barbecue sauce, and ta-da, they were super good, and the whole family liked it. So now moving on to my favorite, and it is bacon wrapped asparagus. So I recommend turkey bacon. I didn't use turkey bacon, don't know why, but I didn't. And all you do is just cut the asparagus in half, place them in a bowl or anywhere you want aside, and then cut the bacon in half. And then all you do is, I thought I filmed it, get 2 pieces of asparagus and wrap it up with 1/2 of the bacon. Super easy. Put it in on a grill and let that go for about 25 to 30 minutes, and there you go. And then if you are having this for a full-on barbecue with lots of people, I suggest toothpicks. Mine was just for my family, the 4 of us, and the kids loved it. They love asparagus as it is, but yeah, it was really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this collab. And don't forget to subscribe to all the other girls and check out their videos, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys. Oh gosh, that was annoying. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you